If you have been asking about pricing for when it comes to detailing services, possibly the better question to be asking is, what is that service worth to you? Why do some people pay $100 for a detailing service and other people, like the woman we had a couple years ago, pay $600 just for an interior detail, and now she's a happy monthly customer of ours? The truth is, it's not about making your car clean. It's what that clean car means to you. Think about watches. You can have a $50 watch, maybe a $200 watch, $5,000 watch. They all tell time, but that $5,000 watch, there's going to be the craftsmanship, the prestige, the maybe exclusivity when it comes to that watch. And detailing can be the same thing. And the great thing about this industry is we've created levels of detailing and pricing based on the value you place on your vehicle. So you'll have entry level detailing, which is going to be like express level stuff, get you in and out really quick, real basic stuff. You're going to have mid level. That's going to be for the people that see detailing as a preventative maintenance, and it's also going to keep the vehicle looking in great shape year round. And then the premier level, and that's for people that see their vehicle as an asset and they want to preserve it and protect it for years to come. And yeah, you're going to have all the other basic stuff that comes in with the factors into pricing, the vehicle size, the condition, the type of service you're looking for, any kind of training that that detailer is doing, the overhead, the tools, the products, the building, the insurance, all that stuff is going to help play into the pricing when it comes to detailing services. If you value the consistency of a clean vehicle, you're going to see the benefit of our monthly service. If you love that gloss and shine and you're always applying a wax or a sealant to your vehicle, ceramic coating may just be for you. If you see your vehicle as just something to get you from point A to point B, you may not see the need for a premium service. And that's okay too. The pricing is not about what we do, it's about what your car can be. And again, we price our services for the level you place on your vehicle. So wherever you fall, you're going to have an option. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope you learned a little bit of something when it comes to pricing for detailing. And I'll talk to you soon.